have an idea, prompt, a project, or a sketch in your mind but could not make it into a mobile app? Here's presenting RapidNative that helps you build one, iterate, and then ship it and publish it to the App Store. A quick walkthrough of how things work. You can call all your product managers and business administratives to work on RapidNative. Just a prompt, and the mobile app is ready to ship. There's a real front end, back end, and an auth that works in this, and you can preview your mobile app that it has generated on your phone in just a couple of minutes. Here's idea to app, sketch to app, and then document or a screenshot. Whatever you have, just you need to focus on building. RapidNative will handle the publishing part. You can share it with your collaborators or add collaborators to work with you, and you both can build it together. Lovable to App Store is our feature where if you have a Lovable zip file, you either need a link or a folder which you can attach, and you just have to put it in RapidNative. RapidNative will handle it to publish it to the App Store. These are some of the examples what our users have made using RapidNative, and they are quite happy with the outcome. And it's a no plague thing. Everything is real with real data. You can even view your code and the database and customize it according to your need. So it becomes like a one-stop solution for your React Native mobile apps, from building to shipping. They are users who are proud of what they have built, have put out the lovely comments on what they liked in us. And start for free. When you think you can upskill and outgrow, feel free to buy our starter or pro planner. Yep, good to know. And now with RapidNative, your first mobile app is literally just one prompt away. So do let me know what you think about RapidNative and your experience with it.